Hey guys, and welcome back to yet another video. In this video I will be showing you that how you can add friends on your Rockstar Social Club. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So first step, as always, is go to your internet browser and here search for a Rockstar Social Club. Here you can see the first link appear is a socialclub.rockstargames.com. Just go ahead and your social club will be loaded. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. If you are not logged in, just click on that sign in button and log into your account. Otherwise, if you don't have an account, you can just click on that sign up button and that will help you to create a new account. And after that, you will be able to see an interface like this. So on the top right corner, you will see your avatar. Click on this, and here the fourth last option is friends. You can see a drop down menu here. Just click on this and you can see my friends, import friends, and find friends. So let's suppose I want to see who is friend with me. So just click on this my friend button and you will be able to see your friend list. Here you can see I have a few friends. Franklin is a good friend of me. These are Rockstar Game friends. If you click on this button, you can see your PlayStation friends, Xbox, Steam, Epic, Google, and Twitch friends also. And if you want to search your friend by name, you can just use this search bar. Now just go ahead to that same menu again and click on this import friend button, and that will help you to import your friend from your PlayStation or your Xbox or your Google account. You can just click on these to add friends or import friends from the different accounts. Select one of the icons above to link your account and find Rockstar game members that you know from other networks. And to invite a friend, you can add their email here, type a message, hey, that I want to be your friend, and then click this send invite button, and your invitation will be sent to that friends. That how you can add more friends. And if you go to that same menu back, you can see this find friend button. You can just click on this find friend, and here you will be able to search for members. So you just type in their name and you can search the member and send them invite. So that's how simple it is to add friends to your Rockstar Social Club. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button below. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next video.